Hello everyone. I hope I'm properly audible there. I can see 10 people are watching this. So in the chat window, let me know if I'm properly audible, the voice quality, the video quality, because I just checked my internet connection on speed, the internet speed on speed test. There was some issue with the upload speed. So just let me know if everything is going good there. Okay, I got notification of my own live, so I hope this will work. Uh, okay, so just ignore that thumbnail. It's just that I was not able to find any good thumbnail, so I just took my passport photo, which was there available on my table, and I just uploaded that. Okay, so I can see the voice. Yeah, voice is good. Voice is good. So I can use this for the questions, and then we can talk about some stuff. Okay, so we got more than 300 people watching this. Yeah, I know. When you go live after a long time, people do expect a good content. So that's great. So we got more than 400 people, or 390, 380 almost. So hit that like button everyone if you enjoy my videos on Python, on Java, AWS, Spring. There's so much of content on this platform, right? I was just checking last week the amount of playlists we have, and we got so many playlists here. Okay, so great. So hit that like button if you enjoy my series, if you want me to come live more often. It's good to talk to the big family we have, right? So recently we crossed around 450 or somewhere. We are on that number. Okay, great. So, okay, I can see lots of questions. Yes, blockchain is on the way. So just before going live, I have made a video. I mean, recorded the video for blockchain, one video that will be uploaded by tomorrow because it's still in recording, it's still in editing process. So it will get edited today and it will be available tomorrow for you to watch. More videos will be on the way. Yes, I was not able to upload videos because I was busy with some other stuff, but more videos on the way. And there are some other stuff which will be coming. I don't want to reveal that now. That will be surprise, kind of. But you will see that soon. Nothing unexpected, but you might enjoy it. Okay, so Chetan says 1 million subscribers before 2019 ends. Okay, I'm not sure about 1 million, but yes, somewhere around maybe expected. I don't know. I don't know. Is it really expected? We'll try our best to do that. Nothing is impossible anyway. Okay. Can we collapse AI and machines? Collapse or collaborate? I'm not sure what the question is. Okay, so we got a question from Mohit, and the question is, how do I improve myself in Java? Okay, so it's actually very easy to learn Java, provided you watch my videos. In fact, I tried to make as simple as videos as possible, at least for Java and Python. So if you watch my Java videos, doesn't matter. We have two playlists. You can prefer any of it. You can go with the old playlist, which has more content. The new playlist has a crisp content, so that it will save your time. That's why the playlist name is Crash Course. So you can follow any of the playlist, and the most important thing is practice. So the example which I'm covering, you have to practice that. Plus, you can create your own example. You can refer books. There is one of the amazing book which is the complete reference, Java complete reference. Yes, there are some issues with the versions, because earlier days Java was getting updated every 2 years or 3 years, but now every 6 months you will be getting Java updates. So buying a Java book is risky, but that's fine. You can still learn Java 8. Java is same, right? There are some new concepts which are getting added, like we have modularity, we have Java 8, we have lambda expression. So you can do that. Apart from that, you can build a project, because if you just to give you that example of mine, when I was doing my graduation, I was not good with programming. Okay, so yes, I was good with C and some programming concept, but then I was not good with Java. I was not knowing how to actually work on Java. So when I learned Java, and then I did a project, which was a compulsory project in my college. So while doing that project, I got to know what exactly Java is. So if you don't build project, then it doesn't make any sense to learn a new language, right? So build some project, maybe a small project, that's fine, but build a project. Okay, we got a question from Deepak. Will Java die? And the answer is no, Java will not die, because there are so many enterprise applications which are still running on Java. So even if they are not going for new applications for Java, the old applications will still use Java. It's difficult to move from one platform to the other platform, right? And Java is not bad, you know. We are getting new updates in Java, so Java will not die for sure. Okay. Yeah, now that's a question. Hardik says learning using books or online. In fact, this is something which even I'm thinking from a long time. You know, which one to prefer? Should we go for books? Should we go for online? You know, I personally believe that online content is much better than books, at least in the current context that I'm talking about. But yes, a few years back, if you say you want to learn something, online was not that established, right? We were not having good videos, we were not having good online blogs. But now things are changing, right? In fact, I'll be making a separate video on this. What's wrong with tech books? Okay, just to give you a hint, what is wrong with books is the time the updates, right? So technology is updating every 6 months, 5 months. Even if you talk about languages like Java or Python or Kotlin, they are getting updated very frequently. So if you buy a book now, it might be outdated in future. Even as a writer, if you write a book, because if you make online content, you can update it. The articles can be updated. Videos, yes, we can replace the old videos, and the new videos will be published in 1 or 2 hours. What about books? It takes time for books to get printed, to get distributed. So yes, if you can go for online books, that's great. But buying an offline book or hard copy, yes, it looks good to read book. It feels good. But what about the updates? Yes, if you're going for technology which is old, which is not changing very fast, like operating systems, computer networks, protocols, they're not changing very fast, right? But if you go with very niche technologies, don't go for hard books. Okay, Avinash says Kalyan meetup. Yes, we'll be having Kalyan meetup soon. Just need to talk to Akshay once. Just need to arrange the class soon so that we can do it soon. Maybe I will try to do it next week. Probably next week, yeah. Okay, next question. So tell me something about Intershala summer camp. Not sure. I don't. Just check the reviews. Okay, Akka Dure says good to see you. Good to see you too. Okay, Kolkata meetup. Yes, we are still planning for that. Kolkata meetup. Let's see if I can do that soon. Okay, I can see AC is still here. The only thing is, I don't prefer AC, but we are using a light there, which is a halogen light, which is very bright. It creates a lot of heat in the room, so we have to use AC. We don't have a choice. And if I don't use that halogen lights, so the normal light is not that effective. Maybe I will try to go with some better lighting next time. Okay, want to switch to Java from .NET? Yeah, you can do that. A lot of people have done that. In fact, in my friend circle as well, a lot of my colleagues, they went from .NET to Java. Maybe some of them moved because of me. I was constantly saying Java is great, Java is best. Okay, next question. Is there any future of AI in India? Why not? It will take some time, but AI is future for the entire world, not just for India. Okay, questions are moving damn fast now. I can see more than 300 people watching this. Hit that like button, everyone. Let's hit that like button. That's what motivates me to come live more often. And I hope you are sharing all the videos on different platforms, different like Facebook, or LinkedIn. So do that. A lot of people are still waiting to learn from a good content. Example, one of the amazing things on Python. I'm still very proud of my own series. I don't know. It's not to be proud of your own series, but I'm proud of my own series. Okay. Why Python is strong nowadays? So we got this question from RRK226. Okay. Why Python is strong is because of AI, is because of the new technology which is coming up. AI, Python is not, we have talked about this before as well, but Python is not a new language. Python is older than Java, right? But the thing is, nowadays, since we have this boom of AI, we have boom of machine learning, and then IoT as well. So if you talk about specifically about machine learning, it's not the IT professionals or programmers who are into AI. It's more of mathematicians, people who are doing research, they are doing AI work, right? And for them to learn a language like Java is damn difficult, right? So they went with the easy language, which is Python. Now, since they went for Python, they created some libraries. So new programmers, they are going for Python because they have libraries for AI. So that's the thing. That's why Python is getting so famous, and it is one of the easiest language available. Okay, we got a super chat. Thank you so much for super chat, Vikram. And the question is, tell me about Java certification from Oracle. Yes, Oracle certifications are awesome. You can still do that. The only problem is nowadays most of the companies, they are not looking for certifications. They are looking for projects. Okay, I'm not saying all companies. I'm not saying all certifications, but specifically Java is something where companies are looking for projects, because it's very easy to get Oracle certification nowadays because of DUMS. It's easy to crack. So I would say go for, I'm not saying everyone uses DUM, but it's available, right? So even company prefers that you have, you have project experience. Maybe I'm not working for a company, but your own projects. How many projects you have on GitHub? That's what you can look for. Okay, we got one more super chat from Ms. Taki. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce that name. Sorry for that, but thank you so much for your for the super chat. Okay, next question. When you come to Delhi, okay, I was there last month. Maybe so. Next month, we have some planning for Chandigarh. I have a technical talk there. No, I'm not sure if it will be confirmed. But if I come to Chandigarh, I will be also visiting Delhi. Okay. Next question. I can see a lot of questions are just moving up very fast. Don't waste time. Okay, your time or my time? I'm not sure. Okay. When you will come to Noida? Okay, that's the same question. Okay, so we got a super chat again. Thank you so much. The same person. Please upload some videos on C#.net. Okay, so I know C#. I have worked on C#, but then I'm not a big fan of .NET platform. If you can see the entire channel, we have more than 1,200 videos. None of them is on .NET. that's crazy, right? But I have worked on most of the .NET platforms. I've worked on VB, C#, ASP somewhat, but I've never made a video on that because I'm not a big fan of Microsoft anyway. So I don't think. I was thinking, last year I was thinking about making some videos for Xamarin using C#, but then planned went away. Pune meetup. We had a lot of Pune meetup. In fact, we had 3 Pune meetups, right? I don't know if you were not able to visit there. Every day we are getting more than 1,000 subscribers. So maybe you're a new subscriber, you have not met before. But so I will try to visit as soon as possible. Okay. How to master just data structures by practicing? That's the only way. So try to compete on hackathons. Maybe you can try online as well. We have different websites. You can compete there and practice. That's how you do it. In fact, one of the ways you can also teach. Okay, how to super chat? So there will be an option there. So in the chat window, there will be an option of super chat. Click on that. It will ask you for the payment. You can do that. I don't know how that works, how that payment works. I've never done that, but you can try it. Okay, we got one more super chat from Rakesh. Thank you so much, Rakesh, for the super chat. It helps, it helps to grow this platform. Okay. We got one more super chat there. Okay, so a lot of super chat coming today. React, JS, Node.js, and Flutter. What do you think? Okay, so React is getting famous because of Facebook. They provide a lot of features. Node.js is for the backend, so there's no competition between React. There is a competition, right? You can also build backend. So yeah, so React.js, Node.js, both are JavaScript framework, but I guess React is getting very famous. A lot of apps are already built on Node.js for the backend. Flutter is the future for sure, because when Google comes up with something new, they make sure it is the future. So my bet is on Flutter, but it's still not that famous. It's still not that stable, but soon it will be. So if you want to start now, I would say try Flutter. It will get famous the moment you complete you complete your course. But if you want to, learn something for now, I would say React.js. Okay, I lost all the questions there. Okay, where's the question? Yeah. How good is C Sharp? It's good. C Sharp is good. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, I guess we got one more super chat. But that's the thing, when you do super chat, your question just pop up. That's the, in the message window. That's why it highlights. Okay, can you please make video on data structures and algorithms? We have some videos on data structures. So if you can just go to playlist, there's a section where there's a playlist of data structures. It's not, what you say, in detail or fully, but we have some basic videos. I mean, good to start with. Okay. Docker video, please. From a long time planning for it, but not getting enough time to do that. First, you have to complete Python. Then, okay, when you say Python, the basics of Python is complete. I'm thinking for the advanced part, but still it's in thinking phase. I'm just busy with some other stuff to focus on here, but I'm trying my best to do that. I'm also trying to complete blockchain, so the video is still getting edited there. So let's see. Java Advanced is there on the channel, right? So just go to playlist section, search for Servlet, JSP, Spring. So we have it there. Okay, question is blockchain or machine learning? My bet is on blockchain. Machine learning is not for everyone. Okay, so if you like it, that's go for it. Blockchain, I have not stopped it. It's just that I was not getting enough time, but soon you'll be getting more videos. Okay, die or live? Of course, live. Blockchain tutorial says that they're on the way. Okay. Linux versus Ubuntu. Linux is a kernel, and on top of that we have Ubuntu. So even if you're using Ubuntu, you're using Linux. So go for Ubuntu. I would say that is Linux, a Linux-based OS. But if your question is Red Hat or Ubuntu, I would say if you're a beginner, start with Ubuntu. Once you have experience, you can try Fedora, you can try CentOS, you can try Linux Mint. There are so many flavors available. Okay, best books for Android development. No books. Not a big fan of books anyway. Okay, Java versus Python winner. Both are winners in their own domain. They both are playing different sports, so can't say that. Next Mumbai meetup. So next Mumbai meetup will be there in Kalyan. Okay, so we're still planning that. Okay, Python decorators. Yes, I will upload that video soon. Okay. Last few questions, because we have already done 20 minutes. I'm using hydrogen lights, which is very it is getting a lot of heat here. So last few questions and then we are good to go. So yes, we'll be getting the video of blockchain tomorrow afternoon somewhere. Okay. What next after Python? So for you or for me? For you, I would say go for Django or Pandas for data visualization. You can also try machine learning if you want to try out. For me, it is blockchain now, which I'm uploading. After JSP, what to do? So, okay, so if you have done with JSP, I'm assuming that you have done with servlets. After that, go for Spring Framework. It's awesome. In fact, you can also, I don't know if from where you are watching all my videos. So there are two ways you can watch videos. One on YouTube, yes, but you can also watch all the videos on the website as well. So you can just go to courses.telusko.com. There are some free, there are a lot of free content available on Spring, not on Spring, on Java, on Python. The same videos which are there on YouTube, but more customized. Okay, I mean more in sequence. You can say complete. You will know where you are, right? So just go to courses.telusko.com. In fact, you can just go to telusko.com. There will be a courses tab, and you can just go from there. Okay, next question. I just need to pick it from here, I guess. Okay. Uh, Where's the next question? I'm not able to see that. Bangalore meetup, yes, we'll plan soon. We had so many meetups earlier, why you people missed it? Normally, I announce all my meetups on the channel. Okay, after Android, and you are awesome. Thank you so much. After Android, you can build applications. That's what you can do. Maybe you can learn backend as well. Learn how to code with the backend programming. If you have a server, you can try that. Okay, MacBook Pro or laptop, PC laptop for coding. Okay, so if you give me preference, I would say MacBook first. Not the MacBook which I have, because that is dead. That's almost, the keyboard is it's damn bad. Maybe the new one or the older one, you can go for that. The second option I will go for is PC, because the PC which I'm using there, it's a high-end machine. Yes, it is costly, but once you buy it, you can enjoy it for a lot of years, because it is upgradable, right? So you can try that. Okay. Okay, we got question from Rakesh. Thank you for the super chat again. Career transition from QA automation to development. Suggest a development tool, please. Salesforce or blockchain. If you are switching, first of all, make sure your programming is good. So learn Java or Python, whichever you prefer. Now, since you have worked on QA automation, that means you learned Java a bit there. So I would suggest you to, if you want to try blockchain. It's awesome. It's just that we don't have good content available to learn blockchain. Yes, you can try UI. See, the thing is, everything which you mentioned, Salesforce, blockchain, UI, and some maybe AI, everything is awesome. Okay, I cannot say this is better. Personally, I prefer blockchain. I'm not good with UI, so I don't even try it. Maybe you are good with it. So just try it out. Okay, so maybe you can spend 15-20 days on UI, learn some new designing tools, and try to design something. If you see if you can enjoy it. If you are enjoying it, that's great. Continue with that. And even it's a good skill to have, working on UI. So even in future, if you're not working on UI, at least you know something. You can build some UI for your backend programming. Try blockchain as well. You can watch my videos. They're not complete course, but then at least you will get some gist of it, what exactly blockchain is. Salesforce, the only thing is I'm not sure if the free courses are available for Salesforce to even try it out. But can't comment about Salesforce. But it's good. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Okay, we got a question again from, okay, you want to change your name? Okay, at least give me a nickname so that I can pronounce it. So the question is, what after, okay, if not C#, then what? I would say Java. I'm a big fan of Java, but if your question is what, for me, blockchain, for you, C# is good. It's not bad, okay? Nothing against C# here. But I don't prefer personally. Okay, can you speak Telugu? I can, yes. Not much, but because I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, so that's when I'm here. Okay, last one question and we are good to go. Okay, and just questions are just popping up. Okay, question from Ahmed. Experience have in Java 6 years. That's great. You have a good number of experience. Next, blockchain or AI? Okay, the same question. I would say blockchain. As a blockchain. See, try both. Okay, spend 1 month on AI, spend 1 month on blockchain. See what you enjoy most. Look at for the opportunities near you, and just go for it. It's not that you cannot shift. So let's say if you're working for blockchain so if you're working on blockchain for 2 years, you can still switch to AI in future. Okay, question from Tarun Jod saying, nice idea. Okay, need idea for final year project in DevOps. Project on DevOps? Normally we don't build projects on DevOps. It's just that we use DevOps to deploy the projects. See, first of all, for ideas, I can't comment much, because if I will give you the idea, that's my idea, right? I will implement it. Why I will give you the idea if I have those ideas with me? I don't have any ideas up now, but I feel if you want to build something, it should be your own ideas. Okay, go to Google and search for the ideas. People who want to give their ideas. I don't have at this point. But if I have some ideas, I will try to post that on YouTube channel as a video. But the best way to get the idea is look things and look at around you, what people are facing, what problems people are facing, and just go for that. Okay, so okay, Mr. Das has given me one more super chat. Thank you so much for that. And the question is, I made a thinker-based app after watching just 47 videos of. Oh, thank you so much. You built an application as well. That's great. It's great. That's what motivates me to make more videos, right? So thank you so much everyone for the live chat today. A lot of people have came for the live session and a lot of super chat as well. Thank you so much. I just want to make sure if I'm not missing any super chat here and in any case in the chat. Okay, I guess we are good to go. So thank you so much everyone for coming live. We'll be going live next week as well. So just hit that like button everyone if you enjoyed this session. We'll surely connect you next week. Coming Saturday we'll have one more live session. And between this to next live session we'll be having a lot of videos. Do watch it. Enjoy learning. You know, learning is all about enjoying stuff. So that's everyone. Bye bye. See you next week.